Hello, Hardware here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the issues on a PayPal app on iOS. First, what you want to check first is go out to the App Store and check for the update, because that's the most common issue on the iOS with some apps. So we're going to our app, PayPal. Got the PayPal. See, I have the newest version, and there is the open bar, but there is also the update bar. Update bar if it is available, but if it's not, that means you have the newest version. And if you still have issues with your app, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. First way is go up to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps here and PayPal here, and just you need to set all settings to the fabric, like mine, like here Siri, here search, here the background app refresh on, and language doesn't matter, and the this try to pay on iPhone and improve tap to pay on iPhone is optional. You don't need it, you can. And after this, if you have still issue, the last way to do this is just reinstall the app. So get your PayPal, remove, uninstall, and uninstall this, and just go back to the App Store and install again. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.